What is happening, 7-3 family? Welcome back to the 7-3 Garage. If you guys are new here, just gonna kind of go over some basic things that's been going on with the truck lately. It's been a little bit since I've posted a video, but I figured today, since I have the day off and the weather is actually the best it's been here in South Florida, as far as coolness and humidity goes, today I think we have a high about 75 or 76 degrees with humidity. I feel like I'm a weatherman, but humidity's pretty low today. But basically just wanted to give you guys a quick ride along with the setup that I have on the truck. For those of you, again, that are new, if you're not familiar with my truck, this is a 97 F250. It's got a built motor, so it's got connecting rods. They're Manley, to be specific, Manley connecting rods. It's all balanced rotating assembly. It's got an irate diesel girdle, all ARP hardware in the bottom end. It's got some minor headwork done, beehive style valve springs, head studs, all that fun stuff. T4 mount, S472 SXE Borg Warner. 200% fuel injectors, adrenaline high pressure oil pump, irate fuel system, yada yada. This setup as it sits right now should be good for, I'm estimating, around 700 horsepower, between 680, 700 horsepower on a good day. I do have very tentative plans to spray nitrous in this thing in the future. If I did, it would be a very small jet of nitrous. If I could get this thing right around 900 wheel horsepower with some nitrous, I think that would be pretty awesome. But basically just want to take you guys on a quick ride and let you see how the truck runs and how it sounds. I did actually have some issues with this CTS3. People were asking me. I had some connection issues with it, and reached out to Edge, and they were working on a few different updates for quite some time. And long story short, I ended up getting a brand new unit from Edge, and it's actually been working perfectly since I've gotten it back from them. So no real issues there. But I'm gonna stop talking and give you guys a quick ride along here so you can see how the truck runs and how she sounds. That is all for this one, guys. Appreciate you tuning in. For those of you that are new, go ahead and subscribe so you can see what we got coming up here. I do have some parts on the way, some surprise parts from Jelly Boat Performance. So pretty excited to get those in, and we'll unbox those and install them, whatever it happens to be. Brian said it's a surprise, so we'll find out what we have coming. And the other thing is I will be doing a video changing my transmission fluid here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. But as always, guys, if you need anything for your 7.3 liter Powerstroke, go ahead and check out jellyboatperformance.com. I always include the link in the description below. Reach out to Brian. He is the man with 7.3s. He can get you dialed in for anything that you need, builds, just normal performance or maintenance. He's the guy to reach out to and get you squared away. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, my name's Brandon. This is the 7.3 Garage, and we will see you next time.